Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Makia Forex. In this series, I'm going to teach you guys how you can completely use MetaTrader 5. So it's going to be a complete series from part 1 up to part 20. So make sure you stay tuned, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. First thing first, how do you start? How do you download MetaTrader 5? So you go to your computer, you just type MetaTrader. You can put MetaTrader 4 or 5, but I will use MetaTrader 5 because it's what I'm good at using. Just type download MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5. Simple. MT5 or MetaTrader 5. So you can see there, the very first link you see is what you have to click. Click on this link. So when you click on this link, it depends. If you're having an Apple computer, that's a Mac computer, you can do that. If you have a Linux, it's all on you, but I'm using a Windows computer, so I'll go in for the Windows. So once as you click this one, it's going to start downloading. You can see it over here. Within 1 minute, it has, in fact within 30 seconds, it has already downloaded. Now click on it. You just press run. So now you're going to install the MetaTrader 5 on your computer so that you can be able to use that to trade Forex. So when you click on the download, it should be installing. It should be installing on your computer. So you'll see a screen pop up and it's going to be installing on your computer. That's it. So when you see this one, MetaTrader 5 client terminal, just go to next. It's going to start to install. You can see that's how it's always going to be like. They have different services, but you know, we're just going to use the platform only for trading. That's it. So it will take some time before it installs. Don't be in a haste. It's not going to take like 1 minute, 2 minutes. It may take up to 5 minutes. Sometimes it may take more than 5 minutes to install. You just have to be patient. Okay, you can see it has already installed. I'll press finish. For this particular process, it took just less than a minute for it to completely install. So when it has completely installed like this, you just press finish. So when you press finish, it's going to directly take you to the MQ5 website, because this is the platform that created the MetaTrader 5 and 4. So this is kind of like their platform. This is where you can be able to use bots, you can be able to use different strategies that are based on robots. So you don't have to do this one. You don't have to come here and register, because if you want to register, you can register, but I've already registered with MQ5, so I'll not register again. But we want to just see by the trading platform. So you can see the platform has been installed on our computer. So when the platform is installed, this is how it's going to look like. It's going to create you automatically a demo account. If you're a first time, if you're a beginner, you will see that it has already created you a demo account. You can see $10,000 is already put into your demo account. So this is how we're going to start it on how we can trade with this particular platform. As you can clearly see, we have the market watch over here. This is where you put in your, this is where you can be able to watch your different pairs. The bid price is the buying price, the ask price is the selling price, and you can see that the daily change is how much the market has moved in a particular direction in a day. When you see 35%, it means it has moved averagely 0.35% in the bullish direction. And when you see minus 0.22%, it means that it has moved minus 0.2% in a negative direction. So it is bearish. Meanwhile, for this particular pairs, you know it is bullish. So you can be able to just look at from this area and see and know whose pairs are going in the bullish direction. So if you want to connect your account, this is where you connect your account over here. Then these are the different pairs. You can clearly see we have 4 screens. We have 4 different pairs here. We have Euro USD, which is a trading pair. We have USD Swiss franc, which is another trading pair. We have JPUSD, which is the pound dollar, and we have USD JPY, which is also called the dollar Japanese yen. You can see it always begins you with $10,000 because they want you to start trading demo. But if you have a live account, there's a way that you can be able to connect your account to this particular platform. So this beginner tutorial is just to show you how you can be able to download this particular stuff on your computer or on your laptop then I'll do other videos to show you how you can be able to use all of these features on this particular platform. So with that said, make sure you hit the like button, leave your thoughts in the comment section, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and leave your thoughts on which video you want us to do next. Also, I'll leave the link to our Telegram group and also our personal contact if you want to know more about trading, if you want to learn more about trading, if you want to learn a particular strategy that's going to help you to make money in the market. I'll leave the links in the description. With that said, thanks for watching. Bye.